what we are now being told is that Sputnik 5, the Russian vaccine, that's been approved because of the data that shows strong immunologicity data shown by the vaccine. That's the information that's coming in. India gets a nod for the third vaccine. This, of course, is emergency use approval. The Sputnik has been approved by India. This is what top sources are telling India today. So far, there was Covaxin and Covishield. The bridge trials for Sputnik, they were underway. Many were arguing that the process should be fast-tracked, but the government insisted that the process, the due process needed to be followed. And I quickly want to cut across to India Today's Milan Sharma for more on this. Milan, bring us details.
Well, Gaurav, today in a very crucial meeting of the SEC panel for the approval to Sputnik V, we have heard from sources that Sputnik V is showing very strong immunogenicity data, which is one of the main focal points for this vaccine, which will be approved today, and it has been approved, but we are likely to hear on an official confirmation from the government by evening today. So as soon as the official confirmation comes, sources have told us that Sputnik V immunogenicity data is showing very good progress, and that is the general consensus in the SEC panel as well. And that is something that the government will have to give us an official confirmation, but it's really good news for India. We need more vaccines, and which is why the Sputnik V made by the Gamaleya Institute and the Russian Direct Investment Foundation is going to help India scale up the production of vaccines in India. They've tied up with Dr. Reddy's laboratories and many other companies also who are looking to scale up the production, and comes as a very welcome news at a time when India needs more vaccines, Gaurav.
So the Sputnik V approval, now official word we are told likely to come by 5 p.m. How soon does the rollout then begin, Milan?
Of course, Gaurav, the government is concentrating on getting this approval by the due course and process. As said earlier, they have looked at the data and asked the companies to give in data, which is showing a very good progress. The rollout will take some time now, and this has to now go to the Drug Controller General of India after the SEC panel approves it, recommends it for approval. The Drug Controller General will give a final approval, and then the companies will be told to immediately ramp up production so that we could get the vaccine as soon as possible. Although Dr. Reddy's has already been working on the production of the vaccine, so the rollout should be expected in, a couple of months.
Once again, this Sputnik V, the moment the rollout happens, how much of the caseload will this help fight, and how quickly, Milan?
Well, definitely, Gaurav, at a time we are looking at the vaccines that are required for this country. The expert committee is going ahead and putting India first, which is why Sputnik, that has been in talks with the Indian government for a long time now. The manufacturers are also under talks with the company, and definitely, Gaurav, is going to help the caseload, because Sputnik V is one of those vaccines that has a very high efficacy rate, more than 90%. No other vaccine in the country has this kind of efficacy rate. And also at a time when India needs more vaccines, the production needs to be expedited. Very soon, we are yet to get a formal confirmation from the government. Let's make this clear. The government is yet to give us a formal confirmation on this good news.
For the moment,